गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
हाँ जी, गुड आफ्टरनून।
सर आज फ्री हैं आप?
हाँ, बोल।
मुझे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए थी आज आपसे कैसे।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
क्राउन रिमूवर के बारे में आज मैं जानना चाहती हूँ सर आपसे
अच्छा।
कि आप इतने इजीली कैसे निकाल लेते हैं पेशेंट के मुंह से। मैंने ट्राई करा है कई बार, मैंने कॉलेज में भी देखा है स्टडी करते वक्त, और अदर्स डॉक्टर्स को भी देखा है कि जब वो क्राउन रिमूव करते हैं तो कई बार काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट्स हो जाती हैं और वो निकलता भी नहीं है। इससे पेशेंट भी तकलीफ में आते हैं और डॉक्टर भी। बट आप जैसे निकालते हैं इतने इजीली, इतने अच्छे तरीके से कि पेशेंट भी कंफर्ट होता है और आप भी, तो आप ये कैसे करते हैं सर?
इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा सीक्रेट नहीं है, प्रैक्टिस की बात है।
ओके।
आपको बहुत कुछ देखना पड़ता है, विद द प्रैक्टिस अपने आप की अंडरस्टैंडिंग बन जाती है। when you are up to it, gradually you will learn. इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, आप ही निकाल लेंगे उसे।
वही इन्फॉर्मेशन तो लेना चाह रही हूँ ना सर आपसे कि आप इतने इजीली कैसे निकाल लेते हैं।
नहीं, वो आप करेंगे तो हो जाएगा।
ट्राई तो बहुत किया सर, लेकिन आज तक सक्सेस नहीं हो पाए।
तो क्राउन रिमूविंग सीखना चाहते हैं?
यस सर।
भाई वो निकालना है रोहित को, क्राउन रिमूवर
अभी दे रहे हैं सर। ले लीजिए सर।
So before I tell you about this crown remover, I will like to tell you about what you should know before you remove the crown. First, you should know why are you removing the crown.
यस सर।
What prompts you to remove the crown? What are the conditions where crown removal is needed? Okay, and then what you see before removing the crown.
ओके।
How are you going to remove the crown or which? What are the pros and cons of each options? How many methods do you know about removal of the crown? What are the various equipment you have got? How many types of crown remover you know about it? And in this situation, in a particular situation, what type of crown remover method will you use? Have you told to the patient? Have you taken his concurrence? Have you assessed the bone and the condition on which the crown or bridge is resting? So what are you going to find after removal of the crown?
ओके।
उसके बाद क्या देखा? And then what will you do? After you have removed the crown, what will you do? Why have you removed? And what will you do after? What will you see before the crown removal? What will you find after the crown removal? And what will you do after the crown? So you should know everything. You should know what are the various conditions. Why you are removing the crown? We remove the crown because it is expired, it is not working, cement is loosened, it is damaged, there is a caries, there is a periodontal damage. So there are various conditions, various different circumstances where crown removal is necessary. Okay, it has served its purpose, now it requires a replacement.
ओके।
Or it is loosened, or it is there is a caries, there is exposure. So once you decide that it need to be removed, you have to take the concurrence of the patient. You have to tell it need to be removed. You have to take his approval. Okay. Then you have to anesthetize it. Okay, then you have to be alert.
Okay, sir.
You have to avoid certain conditions, okay, where this procedure should not be done. You have to know pros and cons of the procedure which you are using.
Okay.
So there are various methods by which you can remove the crown: by cutting, by ultrasonics,
Okay.
by back force, by spring-loaded crown removers, or by pneumatic crown removers, or by the a automatic crown remover, or van keys. There are various methods available.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to have a wide variety of crown remover in your setup, and you should have hands-on skill, competence on each crown remover. Not every crown remover is suitable to every situation. So you have to decide properly.
Okay, sir.
So if you have got the simple now, this conventionally we use this crown remover. So it has got the various tips. So it is an automatic crown remover, a spring loaded.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
it has got this handle,
Mhm.
and there are various tips are available. So this is a sickle tip.
Okay, sir.
It is used for the bridge removal. So it is another shovel tip.
Okay, sir.
This is for single crown remover. So another tip is a bifid tip. This is bifid for premolars.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and this is a contra angle
Okay,
tip.
sir.
Okay, where inaccessible areas, and this is a inverted tip.
Okay, sir.
So you have to select the best tip.
Okay.
Okay, so this is wrench,
Mhm.
and this is tightening key.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. The tip tightening key, and this is another tip for wire.
Okay.
So night eye flexible wire we have got. This is a night eye flexible wire in this.
Okay.
So for removal of the bridge, this wire is used. So you should know how to use the wire, how to use the inverted.
Yes, sir.
So once you use it, once you select the right tip, then you should know how to fix it into this. Okay,
Okay.
and then you tighten it with the another tip, which is given for this. Okay, like this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and then see the how much is, whether it can be used like this. Okay. Then you put it, first you anesthetize the area and be very careful that it should not slip, and put it at the right point where it can be lifted properly, and after doing that, give slide and support the bridge so that it should not slip it away.
Okay, sir.
So you assess before removal,
Okay, sir.
after removal, and do whatever is needed.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a matter of your competence. It's a matter of practice.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so more you do, the better you become. Okay, you should not be scared.
Okay, sir.
Only thing is, keep doing it. Start with the single crown removal. If you cannot remove it, section the crown. If it is porcelain crown, ceramic crown, then cut it, the ceramic part, with the diamond burr.
Okay, sir.
And if it is metal crown, then cut it with the tungsten carbide.
Okay, sir.
And then use a van key and lift the crown. So there are where to use the crown, the van key. How does it look? There are different types of the system. So we have got
इतनी
the
इंफॉर्मेशन तो सर मुझे पता ही नहीं था रिमूवल के बारे
no,
में.
we have got the turkey shape. Okay, crown, this automatic crown, spring loaded crown, and we have got the removal, the crown removal for the temporary crown. So you should know whether it is cemented, the bridge is cemented or the bridge is screwed. If it is screwed, you can't remove with this crown remover. You have to unscrew it and then lift it with this crown.
Yes, sir.
If you screwed bridge, if you want to lift it with the crown remover, you will spoil the case. You will not be able to remove because screw will not be unscrewed with this. So if it is screwed, then you have to unscrew it. So
ये
there
बात
are
भी आज ही पता चली सर मुझे.
there are many things like the crown is not loosened, then you have
टाइम.
loosen it with the ultrasonics. We have got ultrasonic crown remover. Okay, we have the Anthogir, a automatic crown remover, Anthogir, where with this it does not have jerk. It's just vibration. Now it is jerking, but that gives just vibration.
ओके सर.
So you need to have a overview of all type of crown remover, whatever is available these days, and select the best one. Use it
यस सर.
and improve your competence.
ओके सर.
It's not a very difficult case.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for your information.